Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. And today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off two-step verification from your Gmail account. Actually sometimes we need to turn off this two-step verification because sometimes we lost our phone number or we lost our SIM card, right? So that time we need to turn off this two-step verification from our Gmail account. So if you really want to learn how to do that, then please watch my full video carefully. So before starting the process, I'll ask you something that please subscribe my channel and give also like this video. And I'll also ask you that please follow my this Facebook page because every day I uploaded a new video into this page. So let's start the process. So first of all, you need to go to Play Store, and after that you need to update your this Gmail application first. So after updating it, just click here open option, then click here your profile icon. And after that choose your that Gmail account, I mean from which Gmail account you want to turn off two-step verification. So I want to turn off this Gmail account two-step verification, so let me click here manage your Google account, then swipe right, then click here security tab, then scroll down and you can see it's already available. I mean two-step verification, it's already turned on. So let me click here, and sometimes it can ask password, your Gmail password or your phone password, so just give it. Okay, so right now you can see there is the turn off two-step verification. So let me click on it and then click here turn off two-step verification and wait for a few seconds and you are done. So let me just get back from here and let me refresh this page, and let me show you. You can see there is no two-step verification available in here. And there is one more thing, if you have YouTube channel into this Gmail account, that time maybe you cannot turn off this two-step verification. Okay, so that's it guys. So by this easiest process you can turn off two-step verification from your Gmail account. So thank you so much for watching this video.